Morning guys.
Morning.
We're just out a wee wander today again, and we've came to this place called Rspb Scotland. If I'm honest, I didn't know anything about it. It was Natalie that recommended it.
The Royal Society of the Protection of Birds.
Yes, so we're going to just go a wee wander around here today and see what it's like.
It's free. It doesn't actually open until 10. It's about 8 this morning, so if you come after 10 there should be someone here in this wee hut. But really early.
It looks like dogs are welcome as well, guys. Has somebody got a wee mansion?
All the beasties.
All the wee beasties.
Which way? The viewpoint trail or the woodland trail and pond?
Let's go the viewpoint trail. We'll go right. So I'm presuming you can see this in the video here, guys. It is raining today. Not as heavy as normal, but it is raining.
No excuse not to get out.
Yes. We're under an umbrella today. So we've got this cool wee den built here. Look at this. This would be a dream come true for me. Right, Natalie, go get in your den.
I love this. Goodbye.
There we go. I've lost Natalie for the night.
This is where I'm just staying. 5-star living.
We'll come back and get you on the way home.
Bye.
Some den building. If this was a sunny day, this would be a great wee bit for a picnic, ain't it?
Even if it was a bit chilly, sitting with a hot chocolate and just looking out there.
Aye, that'd be a good view for a wee hot chocolate and a wee bicky. So we've got a wee viewpoint here. And we can get out the rain.
Get disabled access.
Aye, come up in your wheelchair.
Lovely.
Look at the view that you get through here. This would be cool if you brought your binoculars. Some cool like carvings on it as well. I'll just go around the front here, see what there is. It's a pretty awesome view. Just have a wee look at the front of it. Aye, so if you brought your binoculars, just go here inside the wee bit and then look for some birds.
Or deer.
Or deer actually, yeah. So we just came from the viewpoint trail and we're just going to head on the Airy Woodland Trail and Pond.
Got Gruffalo vibes.
Some pretty cool woodlands here. If you go down to the woods today, you're in for a big surprise.
What will we find?
I'm not sure, that's all I know.
I think we might find teddy bears.
So we've got a dry stone wall here and there's a wee sign just telling us dry stone wall, small creatures make their homes in nooks and crannies between the stones. I didn't know that, but that is pretty cool.
Well, that's what that mansion at the beginning is.
Alright, okay.
It's like a man-made version. I know this is man-made, but like with natural things like cups and recycled stuff that you can make at home, like so the bugs have somewhere to go.
Ah, so we're making homes for all the wee bugs down here, people. That's pretty cool.
The more bugs and insects there are, the more the birds have to eat, and hedgehogs and stuff.
Right, so we're going to get more birds down here. And another cool bench.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness.
Look at the eagle.
I think that's an osprey.
Is that an osprey?
Maybe.
So it's an osprey or an eagle. I'm not quite sure. Look at the detail in them. Tiny frog there. And then another wee squirrel. These two benches we've seen are really cool. Some amount of detail into them. So we're just coming up on the pond here, and we were just saying that this place would be cracking if it was really nice weather like the summer, because there's another couple of picnic benches and it is beautiful down here, very secluded. Not too sure what it's going to be like when it's open and busy, but we're down here at, I think it's 8 o'clock now. It doesn't open till 10.
Quarter to 9 now.
Quarter to 9 now, sorry, and it doesn't open till 10. But I think this would still be pretty cool. I don't think many people come down here, if we're honest. We didn't actually know about it. And this is us just at the pond. The sign up there says this is pond dipping. There's another wee sign here. Now you can buy stuff at reception. Oh aye. You can buy stuff at reception for the pond dipping. I think it's £3. Now I'm not entirely sure what that is that you get to do. Rainwater for the wildlife. This is cool. Look at the view. So here's a wee sign just telling you about all the pond life. Here are some of the amazing creatures you might spot in the ponds. I'll not go through all of them, but hopefully you can see them. There's the pond out there, but yeah, we'll just head down this wee bit here. And here it is here about the pond dipping. Pond dipping. Right, you're only to use their equipment, as you can see here, and you can hire that at the Nature Hub. I think it's £3, but like I say, I've never done it, so I'm not too sure. And this is the wee pond. Now I know probably in the video it looks like the pond's tiny, this wee bit here, but I'm pretty sure all this grassland here is all pond.
Do you notice it's the lifespan of the frog?
Oh, is that what it is?
Tadpoles, gets bigger, grows legs,
Right.
and then turns into a frog.
Right, well all that you've seen just there, guys, as Natalie's just pointed out, because I'm a bit daft. Here's the start, the eggs, then tadpoles, then it grown into a wee bit of a frog, then looks more like a frog, and then we'll get fully grown frog. So from the dipping pond we're just going to go right here, and we're going to go down the woodland trail and picnic area. Natalie's actually hoping we see a deer today,
Or a fox.
but she says that I'm too loud with a big voice and I'm scaring them away.
Big stompy feet.
Aye, my big stumpy feet. So I don't know if you're able to see it from here, but this field is littered with spider webs. So we're just going to try and take you in close here and get one. Look at that, wee spider. Right, I don't know if you'll be able to see that right in the middle of that spider web. So there's a wee monitoring box just here to our left, and this monitoring box is part of Saving Scotland's Red Squirrels project. Don't worry that it's empty, but look out for some red squirrels. So in Scotland, well, it might be the UK, I'm not sure, we have a problem with grey squirrels versus red squirrels, and the grey squirrels are winning. We're trying to bring back the red squirrels. So they do weekend nature walks here. As you can see, here's the times, and it looks like for members it's £4 and for everybody else it's £5. We didn't do this today, but I think we're going to come back and try it because it looks really cool. And here's some more information about the Red Squirrel Walk, autumn wild food foraging, and some other nature weekend fun.
This is a fun story. A man was watching an osprey and then realised something was looking back at him and noticed a little otter was looking at him.
That is cool.
Our best friend Lindsay is obsessed with otters, and what she needs to do is come up here, sit with a wee packed lunch, and you might meet one.
Yep. So guys, that's been our day to Rspb Scotland. What do you think it, Natalie?
I loved it, but this is the type of outside I love, the type where it's not exercise and there's like flowers and birds and stuff.
And you can just have some fun.
Yeah.
Guys, it's quite a short walk, so we maybe done it in what, about an hour?
Yeah.
To be honest, you probably take a wee bit longer just taking your time, and also if you want to do some of the woodland adventure trails there, I think they're £5 and £4, but yeah, definitely highly recommend it if you're in the Ballocks / Loch Lomond area. And that's us.
Bring
We're
a
off.
flask and hot chocolate
Yeah,
and sit and just have a coffee or a tea or a hot chocolate and watch the birds.
yeah, definitely. Right guys, thanks very much for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.